In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your browser's functionality using a tool from the Chrome Web Store. This process will involve finding and adding an extension that can significantly aid in managing your cookies, particularly when dealing with services like Grammarly. So let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store is where you can find a plethora of extensions and tools to help customize and optimize your browsing experience. You can think of it as a marketplace specifically designed for enhancing Google Chrome, where you'll find both free and paid options to extend its capabilities in various ways. Once you're there, use the search bar to look up Cookie Editor. A cookie editor is a useful tool that allows you to manage and edit your browser cookies. Cookies, as you may know, are small files stored on your device by websites to remember information about you, such as login details and preferences. With a cookie editor, you can view, import, export, and delete cookies easily, which can be particularly useful if you need to transfer something like Grammarly Premium cookies from one browser to another. This can save you the hassle of repeated logins and ensure seamless access to premium features. After you find the cookie editor in the search results, click on it and then select Add to Chrome. This action will install the extension onto your browser. Extensions like these usually require certain permissions, so a pop-up may appear asking you to confirm these permissions. Go ahead and grant them if you're comfortable with what's being requested, then the extension will be added to your browser. Once the cookie editor is installed, the next step is to open it from your extensions menu on the top right corner of your browser. This is usually represented by a puzzle piece icon where you can find and manage all your Chrome extensions. When you open the cookie editor, you'll have the ability to import cookies from a logged-in Grammarly Premium account. This means you can extend those premium benefits from one account or browser to another by migrating your cookies. And that's just about it. With the cookie editor now installed and operational, you're set to manage your browsing cookies more effectively and enhance your experience with applications like Grammarly. Remember, utilizing browser extensions can vastly improve productivity and streamline your online activities, so don't hesitate to explore the Chrome Web Store for more tools tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.